right, so on slide 7, we are looking at the American flamingo. We are given that the angle ABC is 95 degrees. I don't know, I said that weird. What type angle is angle ABC? Is it a central angle, an inscribed angle, or a circumscribed angle? It's a central angle because angle ABC goes through the center of the circle. So a central angle goes through the center. So we already know that our angle measures. We are given AD is approximately 7.4 inches, and we are trying to find out how long the bill of the flamingo is. So we are trying to find out this length from A to C, or C to A. We are given that AD, let me change my color real quick. AD is 7.4. What is that line segment from A to D? Is it a radius, a diameter, a chord? Yeah, you're right. It's a diameter since it goes through the center of our circle and has endpoints on the outside edge of our circle. So for our arc length formula, since we're trying to find the length of this arc from A to C, we can use the arc length formula, which we know we need a central angle measure for, and a radius. Oh wait, we don't have a radius, we have a diameter. What is the relationship between a radius and a diameter? Yeah, you're right. A radius is half of the diameter, so we know that we can take our radius, 7.4, and divide it by 2 to get our radius. Our radius is equal to 3.7. Now we can use that information, now that we have everything, then we can plug it into our arc length formula in order to figure out how long the bill of a flamingo is. So our angle measure was 95 degrees, and our radius was 3.7. We are told to round to the nearest tenth, so we have 6.13, which rounds to 6.1. Alright, so we're going to submit and explain again. How do you know your answers to be true? Prove it to me. So we were given that the central angle is 95 degrees, and that our diameter is 7.4. We don't need a diameter, we need a radius. So in order to fill out our arc length formula, we divided our diameter by 2 to get the radius, which was 3.7. Now we can use the arc length formula, which is this. Length is equal to the angle measure over 360 times 2 times pi times r, and fill in the variables accordingly. To get how long the bill of the flamingo is. Alright, so when we hit next, how did we do? According to the Denver Zoo, the American flamingo's bill is approximately 6 inches long. We said that our flamingo's bill was 6.1 inches, so absolutely it corresponds. Woohoo!